this is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist, showing you how to make a lavender spray for dreadlocks. A common concern with those who have dreadlocks is wondering whether their hair smells fresh or dealing with an itchy scalp. I have a solution that takes care of both of those problems, a lavender spray. For this lavender spray, it makes your hair smell really fresh and clean, and the calming properties of the lavender actually help to calm down any itchiness. So what you want to do is get a 12-ounce spray bottle. Then you want to get some lavender essential oil. You can do 10 to 20 drops of the essential oil. It really just depends on how strong you want it. So once you add in your drops to your spray bottle, you want to put the lid on, and you can apply this to all over your hair and to your scalp as many times a day as you need to. I guarantee your hair will be smelling great and you won't have any itchy scalp to deal with. This is Melanie from the Grecian Garden, your holistic health specialist, showing you how to take care of your dreadlocks with lavender spray.